In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to walk through how to jump into a quick Google Meet and personalize your background with built-in effects so you look polished the moment you join. First, open your browser and go to Google Meet. You'll land on the main page where Google highlights the primary action to get you started. Click the highlighted option you see on the screen. Depending on your view, it may look like the main button that stands out on the page. This takes you right to the place where you can begin a call. Next, select Start an Instant Meeting. This is the fastest way to open a meeting room without scheduling anything in advance. It's perfect for quick check-ins, spontaneous collaboration, or when you just need a room link right now. If your browser asks for permission to use your camera or microphone, allow it so your video and audio work correctly. Once you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom or lower right area of the interface for the More Options menu. It's represented by 3 dots. Click that to open a panel with additional controls that aren't visible on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose Background and Effects. This opens a gallery and a set of tools designed to help you control what appears behind you. It's a great way to reduce distractions, maintain privacy, or match the tone of your meeting. Now, browse through the available backgrounds and click the one you like. You'll find a mix of subtle office scenes, abstract designs, and colorful environments. When you click a background, it applies instantly so you can see how it looks before anyone else joins. If you prefer a more natural look, try the gentle blur to keep the focus on you while softening what's behind you. Heavier blur offers more privacy but can feel a bit stronger, so pick what fits your environment. A few quick tips as you choose. Good lighting always helps the effect look cleaner, so face a light source when possible. Avoid very fast movements while speaking. Moderate motion keeps the edges around you smooth. If your computer is older or your connection is limited, simpler effects like light blur may perform better than animated or highly detailed backgrounds. Finally, choose a background that complements your purpose. Neutral for professional calls, a touch of color for creative sessions, and minimal patterns to keep attention on your message. That's it. You've gone to Google Meet, started an instant meeting, opened More Options, selected background and effects, and picked the look you want, all in a few clicks.